Hi everybody, welcome to Shell Lectures. So this is newspaper time dated July 5. So we have been given with a news article which has to be read, and then we'll know what the core of the article is, and then we'll learn the new phrases and the words that have been used here so that we can use them in our day-to-day language. So first let me read it. In a statement issued Saturday, ICMR said the aim is to complete these phases at the earliest so that population-based trials for efficacy could be initiated without delay. The Council, however, remained silent on the unrealistic timeline and the language used in the letter dated July 2 and sent by ICMR Director General Balram Bhargava to the 12 hospitals selected for carrying out clinical trials of Covaxin, a candidate vaccine. The potential vaccine is being developed by Bharat Biotech, a Hyderabad-based pharmaceutical company, in partnership with Pune-based National Institute of Virology and ICMR laboratory. While approval for clinical trials had been given on June 29, the ICMR chief warned in the letter, kindly note that non-compliance will be viewed very seriously. It cannot be given to people on August 15. It's important to follow ethical and scientific guidelines. People must believe rigorous processes have been followed. Who recommends phase 3 trials should involve 20 to 30,000 people and could take years. WHO chief scientist and former ICMR head Soumya Swaminathan said. So now as we have read this news article, let's know what's being written here. So as we know that the Indian Council for Medical Research had announced just 2 or 3 days back that a vaccine for COVID-19 will be published or will be put in use on August 15, the Independence Day of 2020. But now it has been seen that the scientists and doctors of India are like saying like that it's so absurd. How is it even possible? Because such kind of queries have been raising all over India. So the ICMR is just making they're saying very clear that their aim is to only finish it within the earliest time so that we can use it for population and it could be so efficient, and we have to do it without delay. So they have ordered all the clinical clinics to undergo their trials, to make their trials faster so that these things, vaccines can also be given to people. Okay, so non-compliance will be viewed very seriously, it has said, and also the WHO chief scientist has told that people must believe that very good processes have been followed, and the vaccine cannot be just given to people on August 15. There are a lot of principles which must be followed. Okay, so let's learn the new words and the new phrases here. First of all, we have the phrases like at the earliest, instead of telling it like earlier or soon. The aim is to complete these phases at the earliest, and the next one is could be initiated without delay. There also we can use the word soon or something, but still they have used the word without delay. So two kind of phrases which mean the same, at the earliest and without delay. And then we have in partnership with, that's a good phrase which has been used. And then we have new words like efficacy, which means efficiency. And then we have unrealistic, which means something which cannot be believed. They are actually ICMR is remaining silent on the timeline which was actually in the letter written by the ICMR Director General, right? So that is something which cannot be believed. And then we have non-compliance, which is nothing but not going in accordance with someone's wish or something. So here it means that the ICMR's rules have to be obeyed. Whatever they are putting forth has to be obeyed by the clinics which undergo the trials. And we have ethical, which means moral values. So moral guidelines are there which must be fulfilled. And then we have rigorous, which means careful. Okay, so very careful and very vigilant processes have been followed by the ICMR. This is what Soumya Swaminathan ma'am has said. Okay, so that's it for today. Soon I'll be meeting you with many new interesting videos like this. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so far. Like and share this video to whomever you know. Thank you.